Katanat CSR Jonga Company Shri Cement Limited Haga Katpratrik Jamang Kalapan longi rajing sumar ne free eye screening cam yakinong shnong gamolas ngi East Giant Hills District kabahaba po ka ilaka nong clear. Haga ni rajing sumar lawan shimbanta na du kilong kumelong pa hadu samlabat kena. La shimti rajing pej binya daga kinhun jogi Dr. Kman Kibana Vision Spring Foundation, Noida, balayalam da ka Dr. Sadhuna Arya, kapade ka optimist. Haka ni ka free eye screening camp, ladon ringkat lang ru ki he jong ka company Shri Cement Limited, bakanthop u DGM Bimal Jha, Senior Vice President, P. Charkavarti, Local Director, Sarpai Suklan, na lor kiway.
My name is Sarta. I came from the Vision Spring Foundation, Noida, and with my team, we are conducting a eye screening camp. We are screening in Elaka Non Classic. Is in East Jayantia Hills with collab with Sri Cement.
Yes, yes. Look. Oh, wow. Yes,